Hey, up early this morning on a Saturday, August 2nd. It's pretty exciting today. Today is the Learn to Hunt event here in the local area. It's an event to help new hunters, old hunters alike, to learn how to hunt elements of hunting. So I'm gonna help volunteer. This is like my second year helping out, so it's pretty awesome. It almost feels like I'm hunting, but here we go. Hey, welcome to the channel. So me, my buddy Bruce, and a couple, we're helping out with Learn to Hunt here in North Carolina. So I'm going to show you what we're demonstration. We're doing stands and I think just stands. So we're going to show you real quick what we're doing. The thing we're going to be demoing is the ladder stand. So ladder stand, we're going to have a rope, system to make sure you don't fall, and then we're going to have people go up there and demonstrate. It's a good way to show people kind of how it is to do it and the importance of safety and how to set up. The second thing we're going to do is a climber, or some people call it the old man climber, right? It's still useful. I have two, and show people like there's different ways of getting into the woods, and also the importance of safety, how you can do it in different ways without spending a bunch of money. It's about using a blind and the importance of it. Not only just put it up, but kind of how to maneuver it. That's super important to me because first time hunting, I carried one of these around on my back, and I thought it was a good idea to have it, and I thought that was hunting. I've learned a lot since then to not do that, but that's kind of what we want to talk about. And this is our last demonstration. We're gonna talk about wearing our vest, going up the tree, from the tree, connecting, and then crossing over, and then how folks can get up, and demonstrations. This is a free program. Anyone's able to do it. And then also we're going to talk about my saddle, Line saddle, and this is also my platform. And we'll show people kind of the different variations of public land hunting, how to maneuver in and out, and how we get in throughout the woods, and hopefully bring people in and out of the woods. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. This was just this quick snippet of what we did today at the Learn to Hunt event. There's different elements we were able to teach and get new hunters in. They were booked, I think it was about 49 people, about 24, 25 people actually showed up, and we broke down in different groups. They were able to shoot a crossbow, talk about weapons, talking about breaking down a deer from the start to finish, talked about scouting, post-scouting, recovery. And in this video, I just showed a quick element of what we were able to do when talking about stands and Safeway. A lot of these hunters have never hunted, or some of them are just brand new hunters and being welcomed back to the field. So it was a great opportunity to do it, and I like to do it every year and kind of give back to a program that's helped me a lot. Hey, again, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.